What's up guys, Reagan from Soul Status here. Welcome back to Styled by RAE. Today we are in the showroom. We are going to be talking about Yeezy 700 Wave Runners and how you can style them. I personally love 700s and the Wave Runners are one of my favorite colorways, so I love this shoe. I feel like most of the outfits I see put together with it are more casual or athletic, but they still look really good. For example, whenever I see Kim Kardashian wearing this shoe, she has on like a basic athletic monochrome outfit. So I feel like if you have that basic athletic style, then this shoe will go with a lot of your outfits. This next look is a little similar to the last as well, with that basic look with the camo pants and the matching fitted cap. But instead she styled a graphic tee with it, and all the colors on the graphic tee look really well with the shoe. So as you can see, we've got this like Michigan State green color on the shoe, so anything Michigan State would look really good too. So this last look here is definitely a little less casual, but I wanted to show it to you guys so that you could see that she tied the orange little accents on the midsole of the shoe in with the hat and the bag, and it ties the entire outfit together. It looks really good. As you guys can see, you can really go either way with this shoe. You could do a more casual, athletic look, or you could do dressy and change it up a little bit, but either way, this shoe is gonna look good with anything because, as you guys know, confidence is the key to any outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let us know down in the comments what shoe you want to see styled next, and we'll see you next time.